Hello, dear fellows. On behalf of Group 10, welcome to our ML Web model course about portfolio. We wish it will be an energizing and valuable journey for you. Now, let's start our journey. Our objectives in the first week. By the end of this week, dear fellows can define the portfolio, differentiate between portfolio and the other forms of presentations, list and describe the types and forms of portfolio. Introduction. The use of portfolios has rapidly expanded in recent years and is now relevant to a number of different aspects of professional practice in medicine, including training, appraisal, revalidation, and continuing professional development. In the current healthcare environment, it isn't sufficient to say you are up to date. It's essential to provide evidence. In today's competitive job market, effectively showcasing your knowledge and skills to an employer is critical in seeking and sustaining employment. So, portfolio can help provide further evidence of professional qualification and abilities. What is a portfolio? The portfolio can be generally defined as a compilation of materials that exemplifies your beliefs, skills, qualifications, education, training, and experiences. It provides insight into your personality and work ethics. All in all, it's a representation of your professionalism. What is a medical student portfolio? The medical student portfolio is a collection of systematic, selected, purposeful, and organized student work that show the personal ability of every student, evidence of performance, and his professional development via measuring the growth of knowledge, skills, and attitudes. The medical student portfolio. It's a new way of measuring, assessing, and evaluating student progress in the education. It measures what other traditional tools of measurement can't do. The medical student portfolio, it isn't a random collection of activities, yet it's a group of specific and clear tasks done by the cooperation between the teacher and the students. Moreover, it connects the teacher, students, parents that help them to put a hand on the weakness points as well as the positive and creative aspects. What are the other forms of presentation rather than portfolio? Other forms of presentation. Logbook, which simply records specific activities undertaken. Course log, which records training and targeted activities for a specific course. Training folder, which collects evidence of participation in training as certificates and programs. Curriculum vitae, CV, which provides a summary of your experience, academic background, including teaching experience, degrees, research, awards, publication, and other skills. There are three types of portfolio in education. First one is the showcase portfolio, which is designed to display a learner's best quality of work and highlight student success. The second one is the development portfolio, which is written as the learning is happening with focus on reflection. The third one is the assessment portfolio, which contains products that can be used to assess the owner's competencies. Hybrid type is a combination of the previous three types: showcase portfolio, development portfolio, and assessment portfolio. What are the portfolio forms? Portfolio forms: paper-based portfolio or traditional portfolio, web-based portfolio or electronic portfolio. Paper-based portfolio, which was first introduced in the mid-1980s, that draws the attention of educators. But recently, its use become limited and is replaced by the digital portfolio. As how we can move the portfolio around as the pieces of work might be quite large. The other form of portfolio is the electronic portfolio or web-based portfolio, which replaced the paper-based portfolio to address the accessibility and management issues, as digital information can be collected and organized more easily, so it enhances student motivation. Dear FEMAR Fellows Track 1, we invite you to actively share your experiences, thoughts, or opinions related to our ML Web portfolio. Your engagement and participation will make this journey a powerful and integrated one. Thank you so much, dear fellows, and please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. This presentation is prepared by Dr. Amira Ibrahim Al-Samah.